Friday became a whole lot filmier and we have only our B-Town stars to thank. We're doubling up on the drama, suspense, action and adventure this episode, so hang on tight. From Priyanka Chopra and Kangana Ranaut's brush with the cops to Shilpa Shirodkar beating us all to get her COVID-19 vaccine and more, here are the top headlines of the day. First up, we have Kangana Ranaut, who created quite the frenzy outside the Bandra police station as she and her sister Rangoli Chandel arrived to record their statements. Dressed to impress in the purest white sari, the actress made sure to wave at her cameras before heading in. Kangana and her sister were summoned in connection to the case filed against them for their objectionable posts on social media. Before her big appearance before the police, the actress put out a recording voicing her thoughts on the trouble she's been facing these past months for speaking for the betterment of the country. Share your thoughts about this in the comments below.
मैं लोगों से यही कहना चाह रही हूँ जो आज ये तमाशा देख रहे हैं, उनसे यही कहना चाह रही हूँ कि जिस तरह के खून के आंसू 1000 साल की गुलामी में सहे हैं वो फिर से सहने पड़ेंगे अगर राष्ट्रवादी आवाजों को चुप करा दिया गया। जय हिंद।
Trouble has a way of following B-Town stars around, and this time it seems to have followed PC all the way to London. We got word that the actress's parlour session was interrupted when the police came knocking on the doors. The actress allegedly flouted the strict COVID-19 restrictions in the UK to get her beauty routine done. When the cops were alerted, they appeared to have ordered Priyanka and her mom along with Pooja Diana out of the salon. The actress was left off without a penalty and given a verbal reminder to comply with the regulations. However, reports later claimed that Priyanka had the necessary paperwork legally permitting her to get her touch-ups for a film shoot. Talking about films buzz that Janhvi Kapoor may just play Sridevi's role in the upcoming Mr. India franchise, our bees headed straight to director Ali Abbas Zafar, who played it coy and said that the cast has not yet been decided. But he did admit that producer Boney Kapoor would be very happy to have his baby girl take on her late mom Sridevi's role in the film. Wouldn't this make for one exciting film to watch? In some more filmy news, word doing the rounds states that Ranveer Singh, who's been shooting for Circus at Mumbai studio, will fly out to Ooty for the final schedule. Come February, Ranveer will fly out on a jet plane for a week-long schedule that will be shot in some scenic locations around the hill station. Varun, on the other hand, will have to melt away all that muscle to prep for his role in Ikkis. Our Khabris told us that Varun will have to train like an army man and even spend time at the National Defence Academy to prepare for this role. Phew, good luck with that. And finally, we all have some reason to cheer because the COVID-19 vaccine is near. Shilpa Shirodkar has become the first Bollywood star to get the COVID-19 vaccine. Taking to her handle, she shared her post-vaccine selfie and announced, "Vaccinated and safe. The new normal. Here I come 2021." And that's a wrap to another big week in B-Town. We'll see you all on Monday. Till then, have a happy weekend.